Hello all, welcome to the CAT 2021 online crash course from 2IM, online live crash course from 2IM. So what does this course contain? There are several elements. First of all, it contains the entire syllabus, end to end, quant, LRDI, verbal, completely, as a set of videos, slides, tests, checkpoint quizzes, prep page quizzes, the whole shebang. It's a comprehensive online course available anytime, anywhere, any number of times as a product, as an on-demand feature. It's completely sitting inside. And on top of it is a part of this is what we call as a test dojo series, which is tons of questions for each topic at practice level and CAT level, once again with detailed solutions. What is special on sitting on top of this is a series of live classes. The live classes cover every single topic covered for CAT more than once. So we'll cover everything and then cover almost everything one more time. Why am I saying almost everything? The first round we do some fancy classes. Second round we'll drop the fancy classes. Even those fancy classes will be available inside the course. And so that's what the course contains. So why should you try it? Why should you pick up this course? Because we have, give or take 5 months. You need a system, a course that offers you the whole shebang, both on demand and with live. And so you need to have learning content, learning from fundamentals, learning from absolute basics, lots of practice to amp up speed, bunch of mocks to know where you stand, a forum to discuss and get it out clarified, a community, a peer group to shoot the breeze, somebody to ping and call a mentor. All of this comes under one umbrella quite beautifully with the crash course. Right? The one thing I forgot to mention was a bunch of mocks. We have about 15 mocks which are going to be there as part of the course, apart from all previous year CAT papers for which the papers available, all with detailed solution, all with detailed video solutions. And so it's a wonderful course. So what should you do now? What are the components that you should do now? Sign up to online.2im.com. If you're not a trial user already, come on, that's a travesty. Sign up as a trial user today so that you know what it's about. Every single part of the course, you can sample something. You can sample a quant class, a verbal class, an LRDI class, a quant test, verbal test, a mock. You can sit for a demo for a live class. So you can take a cross section of every element of this course and then try it out, or any one or two elements. You must do that because you should get a feel for, hey, what am I going into? What am I entering into? What does this course offer? So we've taken enormous effort to offer that on a platter. The fact that you can try out any segment of the course without paying a dime is something that we are incredibly proud of and we offer on a platter. So please definitely do try that out. What else should you do? You should subscribe to the channel. I've been, the guys internally are saying, look, you're not saying this, subscribe to the channel, like this video sufficiently. So I am saying this. All of you who are there, if you're not already a subscriber, click and say, hey, subscribe to the channel. We put together fabulous content. We're practically running on a treadmill. Now we're going to give or take add another 100 plus videos in the next 30, 40 days. All wonderful solutions of good quality questions relevant to the CAT. So it's going to be a beautiful preparation journey from now till CAT on this YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe that. Definitely check out the 2IM online live 2021 crash course because it's the whole deal. You take this course, we'll be with you from now till CAT, beyond CAT, cover XAT, business decision making, the whole shebang, and be all the way there available for your interviews as well. Do check that out. As ever, any questions, queries, drunken comments, or reach out to us on all the regular platforms. You know how to reach out to us. Best wishes for CAT.